विमानतळार वचपी रस्तो आणि ग्रेड सेपरेटर प्रकल्पा भोवतीच्या रस्त्यांची शेनवारा येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन संयुक्त पळोवणी केली। प्रकल्प 99% पुराय जाल्लो आसा, मात जो मेरेन बारीक मुद्दे जाग्यार पडना आणि त्या सुवातेर रस्त्यांचो प्रश्न सुटना तो मेरेन प्रकल्पाचे उक्तावण करपाची गडबड करचे ना म्हण मंत्री माविनान सांगला। RDXGOA खातीर दाबोळेच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
Honorable Minister, he is always there with us to sort out the issues which are related to airport and nearby airport, and he is really very considerate about the things. And today what has been done, what has been decided is definitely going to ease out the traffic flow, because after grade separator traffic flow is going to increase. Now as far as beautification is concerned, so airport authority has planned, has already worked upon a different kind of lighting in the forecourt of the terminal building. So we are spending around 80 to 90 lakh rupees on that. So our effort is that before Christmas we should start it. As well as when we go to this national highway, we see that all wild grass is growing on the slopes. So I have taken an initiative that all grass will be removed, and we should have some Portuguese architectural tiles placed on the entire slope along with lights. So when anybody who's passing through this airport towards Mangur or coming from Mangur is going to have a different look of facade of the airport terminal. So we are going spending around 1.5 crores for the internal beautification by artwork in the terminal building. We are in hand in hand with the government of Goa, courtesy Honorable Minister. So that joint effort is going on.
Grade separator तुम्ही पहिला झाले, I think more than how much should I say, 99% work is complete. 1% is the work around the grade separator. Merely having the grade separator and the turning radius for the vehicles once they get out of the grade separator has to be available. Already you have seen how much of traffic is moving. We want to smoothen the flow of traffic in and around the airport. Not smoothen it in one place and create problem in another place. After it is completed, some small minor problems have come to our notice, and we have very consciously decided to have the inauguration after all this work is complete. We are not in a hurry to inaugurate it, even though it is ready. That work may take maximum 1 month or maybe 45 days, not more than that. And you will have everything falling in place. Also, as part of the inauguration, we are trying to beautify as much as possible. Airport authority director is here, he will tell you how much he is doing to beautify. I have also taken up through the tourism department to beautify the area around the airport. The grade separator, as you look at it, it looks a plain concrete structure. So suppose you have murals on that, you have good tiles there of various types, some good artifacts which will not get destroyed in rain. I think it will look very nice. After the turn, particularly the turn, we are going to widen the turn, the curve near the railway bridge. So traffic will be able to turn easily, especially the big trailers. They should not go on the other side of the road, which is going to be big obstruction for everyone. Once that is done on both sides of the road, I think that problem will be solved. Similarly, we have proposed a 5-meter road on the other side going to Shantinagar, so traffic can move along the road at the side, part of the traffic. That will happen once we inaugurate. We will also be having a trial run, but the trial run itself will take a month. After we have the trial run, then we will be finalizing everything.